Good morning, everybody. My name is Yaron Rapaport. I'm co-founder and CEO of Regenyx Medical. At Regenyx, we're on a mission to rebuilding soft tissue naturally, reliably, at scale. So, over the past few decades, there is a growing demand for scalable, minimally invasive, reimbursable soft tissue solution. So by now, you should all be familiar with fat grafting. But fat grafting is really the potentially ideal solution for minimally invasive soft tissue restoration. You take your own tissue, it's natural, but it's held back by 30 to 80% volume loss, poor predictability, and the frequent need for repeat procedures. According to a couple of surveys, over 60% of plastic surgeons already integrate fat grafting in breast procedures, despite its limitation. Well, this is a good news because it means that there is a market. So to address the direct limitation of fat grafting, we are introducing Lipogenyx. Lipogenyx is the first fat extender engineered to fit fat. It's a proprietary peptide-based hydrogel, which is mixed with lipoaspirate. Doesn't interfere with the current workflow of the surgeon. It provides with shear protection to the lipoaspirate. It increased the lift and structural integrity, and post-implantation, Lipogenyx enhances oxygen diffusion, vascularization, and then disappears in a few weeks, leaving behind only natural tissue. So the technology has been validated in 3 large animal studies, presented superior fat integration and survival. Lipogenyx addresses the direct 1.3 billion fat grafting market, expected to reach 3 billion by 2030. Over the past 20 years, the FDA has cleared over 40 devices, fat processing devices, aiming to improve fat grafting technology. None of them has gained market dominance thus far. Lipogenyx presents a whole new approach. It is the first true scaffold designed to fit fat. It's not a filler, it's not a fat processing device, but it's a biodegradable ECM-mimicking scaffold. It's also the first fat grafting technology designed for reimbursement. So we are currently preparing for initiating the clinical testing program. If everything goes well, we expect to hit the market with the first approval by 2029. We are raising $5 million round to fund the first clinical study, complete FDA IDE, and establish US operation. And quickly, we're currently located in Israel. We have a small team of scientists, developers, doers, supported by a group of clinicians in Israel and the US. And eventually, we believe Lipogenyx can become the new standard for soft tissue restoration, and we invite you to join us in this pivotal moment. Thank you very much.